About this item multifunction buttons, volume control keys support to increase or decrease the volume. The microphone can easily turn the headset into a hands-free call without removing the phone when answering the call. It is very convenient to switch freely with one key line control. Impeccable details. 3.5mm stereo audio cable is made of pure copper, which can provide maximum conductivity and durability, and transmit high-purity audio signals with minimum loss. The cable is made of high-quality TPE, which is cold-resistant and robust to ensure excellent audio transmission. Gold-plated connectors can improve connectivity, ensure clear sound and stable optical signal transmission. Universal compatibility. This replacement cable is compatible with Skullcandy Hesh, Hesh 2, Hesh 3, Crusher, Grind wireless headphones. Compatible with all devices with a standard 3.5mm auxiliary port, such as PS4 controller, headphone amplifier, iPad, iPhone, iPods, MP3 players, laptops, PCs, cell phones, tablets, home theater, speakers, PS4, PS5, Xbox, Switch, etc. The microphones works with Apple, Android devices. Flexible and convenient, cable length.